inspirasyon ni Mama Ricky Reyes.
Hi,
Hello!
Karen! How are you?
The one and the only.
Hi!
My God, Mama Ricky.
Welcome to my humble home. Kita mo naman kalandi ako, pati pintuan may hand painting lahat,
Actually,
diba?
nung nakita ko nga yung labas ng bahay mo,
Mhm.
the blue and white,
Yes.
napakaganda ng aesthetic.
Yes.
Parang nasa abroad.
Alam mo, kung ang bahay ko, every 2 years nagpapahit ako ng kulay. Yellow, pink, lahat yan. Change.
Really?
Every now and
Oo.
then, every 2 years.
Okay, ito, you were saying,
I had it painted because I just don't want an ordinary door.
hand-painted to.
Hand-painted.
Wow.
So, dito nanggagaling lahat. So, pagka nasa labas, pagka makita yung ilaw dito, kitang-kita sila lahat.
Oh, wow. So this is
Diba?
just the opening. How long have you lived in this house?
1 year, 1 month.
Bago ka dito sa bahay na to.
I have another house there. I just sold it. Tapos nung makita ko to, binili ko yung lupa kasi I find it nice. So, nagtayo ako ng bahay. It took me 2 years to build this.
So,
From the ground.
Pero kakalipat lang
Yes.
pala niya dito. Oh my gosh.
1 year, 1 month.
Okay, all right. Well, show us the home. What was
This
the
is my
inspiration?
formal living room.
Okay.
You know, I like a home, what we call the new classic home, neoclassic, because this kind of house will never get out of fashion. I wanted to feel like a queen.
Yeah.
You know, gusto ko reyna ako ng bahay ko, gusto ko magandang-maganda, gusto ko lahat ng pupunta dito ma-inspire. Sabi nga ng mga ibang mayaman, we never knew that cutting hair could make house like this, you know?
Hello.